Welcome, here I've got ARCHOS Core 57S and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. And now let's focus on the composition line. So these are the grid lines here. When we tap on this we get access to it, we can manage it. We can pick the standard grid. So let me tap on this now and let's go back to the camera. As you can see, it shows us these lines, and this is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography. When we go back to the settings in the left corner and pick once again the composition line, we can pick also the golden section. So this is how it looks like in the camera preview. So this is more spiral, and these lines are also helpful when we want to making experiments with composition. By going again to the settings and picking once again the composition line, we have also access to the reticule. So this is how it looks like here. And also the last one thing we have here is the box. So in the camera preview it looks like that. And also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. Of course, when we don't need this, we go back again to the settings, tap on the composition line and we can close it. So for now this is turned off. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.